Meaning of immaterial.
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 Immaterial. The term immaterial refers to something that lacks physical substance or importance. It can be used to describe things that are intangible or incorporeal, such as emotions, beliefs, or concepts. In legal contexts, it may refer to evidence that is not relevant or admissible. In philosophy, immateriality is often associated with the concept of the soul or spirit, which is believed to exist independently of the physical body. Overall, the term immaterial suggests a lack of material or tangible significance and highlights the importance of non-physical aspects of life.